Flash flood warning in effect until 8:30 this evening, and that goes for most of you in Spartanburg County here. This includes folks in Lyman, Fairmount, over towards Spartanburg and Cowpens. That's where we're seeing some heavy rain continuing to come down. Over the past hour to hour and a half, we've had anywhere between 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in this area, especially from Cowpens down on the south side of Spartanburg here. So this is the issue here, and of course, flash flooding means that water rises very quickly. And notice we still have some heavy rainfall showing up across this area here. Another batch of heavy rain about to move across 221 over towards Pauline. We've got more heavy rainfall up towards Pacolet and Nell, trying to make its way on the south side of Gaffney as well, seeing some of that moderate to heavy rain. I want to take you a little farther south. We do also have some steady rain now moving in, as we saw there on our tower cam there over in Lawrence right now, seeing some of that moderate to steady rainfall lifting north and east. So this is kind of the main batch this evening. We'll watch how this moves off towards the east, but it's slowly moving, so that's why we're seeing that threat of flash flooding continuing through this evening hours. And then behind it, just a very isolated shower or two chance possible. So if you're on the western side of the area, your rain chances for this evening definitely going down. If you're on the eastern side of the area, you're still seeing a pretty good chance of that rainfall continuing. We've got this area of low pressure that's kind of stuck across the region because of Tropical Storm Kyle that's situated out in the Atlantic Ocean, but we're also watching this front. This is going to give us an extra kick and push this system out of here, and it's also going to bring in a little taste of a Canadian air mass. Look what happens with our moisture levels. Very humid air making its way in across the area now. That's why we're seeing that threat of flash flooding. But as we go throughout the next couple of days, the northerly winds come in behind this front, and we get in a little bit of that less humid air moving in across the region. Take a look at the Muggy meter. We're going to have a couple of comfortable days out there, at least in terms of the humidity across the area. Temperatures will still be in the 80s, but the humidity levels definitely dropping for your Sunday into Monday. Enjoy it, because it starts to go back up as we get towards midweek, and that humidity returns in full force. Check it out. You can see here as we go from Monday dry, but notice by the time we get towards the middle and latter half of the week, more humidity comes in, and with more humidity, that's also going to mean increasing rain chances again. So we'll drop those rain chances to 0 as we get into your Sunday, but notice going in towards the middle of next week, we start to bump those rain chances back up to about a 60%. Scattered storms ending by midnight tonight, with temperatures dropping down into the 60s. Watch out for a little patchy dense fog. Your Sunday, morning patchy fog, partly sunny and less humid with highs in the 80s. Here's your 4-day plus. Again, we'll get a couple of dry days before impact days by the middle of next week, with more widespread shower and storm chances.